Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
If your baby cries instead of burping, try different burping positions, such as holding them over your shoulder, sitting them on your lap, or laying them face down on your lap. Gently pat their back and provide a calm environment. Giving breaks during feeding can also facilitate burping and reduce crying due to discomfort.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.